Today we are going to discuss first lecture in our course, Introduction and Installing Python. So let's get started. So Python is a widely used general purpose high level programming language, which means it is independent of machines and is close to natural languages, and it's an interpreted language, and it supports multi-programming paradigm like object-oriented programming, functional programming, and procedural programming. And it is widely used for machine learning, artificial intelligence, and IoT. So there are no separate compilation and execution steps in Python program. They directly run the program from the source code. Python was designed with an emphasis on code readability. Python codes are more readable than Java or C++ codes. And Python is simple and it's easy to learn. So where we can write Python program. There are two versions of Python, Python 2 and Python 3. We are going to use Python 3, and we can download Python 3 or Python 2, one of them, from this link www.python.org. Now let's download this. After typing python.org in your browser, you will land on official Python website, and we can download Python latest Python version from here. And you can see this is 3.8 version. This is latest Python version. We are going to install this. I have already installed. Here we can install, and before clicking on install now, remember to tick add 3.8 to path, and after that we can install. And after clicking install now, it will install in few seconds, maybe depend on your machine. So I have already installed this one, and now we can go to here. I will already install Python 3.7, so I will use this one. You can install 3.8. After clicking, it will pop up the Python 3.7 cell, or if you have installed Python 3.8, it will Python 3.8 cell. Now we can write our first Python program. Now you can see we have written our first Python program, hello world. Now we can also write our Python code directly in our command prompt. Open command prompt in Windows, type Python, and we'll run Python 3.7 or whichever we have installed. Now we can write our Python code. Here you can see printed hello world. There are so many IDs of Python available there, and you can also use spider ID, and I mostly use this ID because I started with this, and this is not the best, but I use this one. you can run Python program and clicking here, and it will run the program. And there is shortcut. You can type F5 on our keyboard and it will directly run our Python program in Spider. You can see printed hello world. There are so many IDEs like PyCharm, Atom, Spider. We can write our Python program. So you can use any one of them, and downloading is very simple. Just go to, for Anaconda, you just go for Anaconda in Visual Edition, and you can download and install. It's very easy. You can see here, after clicking here, it will ask you for Windows version and Python version. If you have a 32-bit graphic installer, 32-bit computer, you can install 32-bit, and most of the people have 64-bit nowadays, so install 64-bit. I will already installed, so I will not install this. Thank you.